Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a picture in Photos as a wallpaper on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen here, you want to open up the photo application. So open up Photos. And in Photos, select a photo that you want to use. In Albums here, I'm going to choose Albums or Library. And then tap on the pictures, open up the pictures that you want to use. So here is a picture that I want to set as my background wallpaper. Okay, so after you have opened up a picture, tap on the share button in the navigation bar at the bottom here. And then in the share screen, we want to go down and on the menu, tap on use as wallpaper. And here you can tap on live photos on or off. You can also turn on or turn off perspective zoom. You can also zoom in or zoom out on a photo. So let's say if you want to zoom in, you can zoom in like that and then tap on set. Then in here, you can set on the lock screen, set on home screen or set on both. So let's say I'm going to choose set on the home screen only and then swipe up to go back to your home screen. And you can see now this is the new background wallpaper from a picture in the Photos app. Now another way how you can change the wallpaper is through settings. So in settings, you can go to wallpaper and then tap on choose a new wallpaper and then tap on recents or photos or live photos or for my screenshots. So tap on all photos and then select a photo that you want to use, then tap on set and then tap set on home screen, set on lock screen or both. For this picture, I'm going to choose set on lock screen. And now if I lock my phone, you can see on my lock screen, I have this picture. And if I go to my home screen, I will have a different background wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.